vamos a preparar semillas. We're gonna prepare some seeds. As you see, apples and one pear. Como ven, manzanas y pera. So we have Royal Gala. What is this? Red Delicious, Royal Gala, Red Delicious. This is Macintosh, Granny Smith, and Bartlett. Okay. Okay, so this is the Red Delicious. Bunch of seeds there. Ya, se me ocurrió este sistema. Voy a poner la etiqueta y I'm going to put the label there and the name in case something happens. The name gets erased or whatever. So Red Delicious is gonna be this, then this one, blah 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 blah. What is this? Royal Gala. The label there first. Gala goes here in the middle. I'm gonna go here with Macintosh. What is this? Like that? Macintosh? Yep, something like that. Granny Smith. And here is gonna go the Bartlett. Maybe we should put the date to like December 8th or something like that. I think it's today. So now we're gonna put some water in the tray. Vamos a echar agua en la bandeja. This is seeds. And this is just to give it a little bit of moisture. Huh? They don't have to be soaking or floating or anything on it. I'm just gonna spray them just in case. El agua que acabo de añadir es para darle un poquitito de humedad. No tiene que estar flotando en agua, pero les voy a agregar los voy a rociar con agua en todo caso para asegurarme de que estén húmedas. That's it. Now I just cover them. I'm gonna put a cloth on top also, un paño, and I keep them in the dark. Los voy a guardar ahora oscuro, and I'll check in like 5 days. Y en 5 días más o menos reviso. Gracias, chao, nos vemos. I was just checking. Estaba revisando and yeah, we have some germination here already. Tenemos un poco de germinación. Granny Smith mainly. We have one there. Pretty big one right there. And pero solamente germinación en la Granny Smith, que es la manzana verde. That's the green apple. Then there's some germination starting to happen in the Macintosh. Not on all of them, but just on those two. Some on the Red Delicious, un poco en la Roja Deliciosa. And then also a little bit on the, sorry, that's the Red Delicious. And this is the Royal Gala. Maybe remove the fungus, this one. Yeah, because we don't want this. Everything else we just leave how it is. You can leave this, and there's still a lot of water. Todavía tiene harta agua. Nothing really, just those two. Granny Smith showing the root coming out. December 14. So that's almost 1 week. Casi una semana de germinación, ¿ok? Chao amigos, nos vemos. Chao, 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 chao. Time to check the seeds. Tiempo de revisar las semillas. Estamos hoy día a 21st. And I started this on the 8th. El 8 de diciembre empecé esto. Almost 2 weeks actually. Casi 2 semanas. ¿Ya? So what we are going to do, lo que vamos a hacer is I'm gonna start transplanting and I'm gonna start moving the seeds that I already germinated. Voy a empezar a mover las semillas que ya están germinadas, so they don't die, and leave the other ones more time y darle más tiempo a las otras. Okay, so we're gonna continue with transplanting. We're gonna start actually transplanting those seeds. Vamos a empezar a trasplantar las semillas, and we're gonna do 2 per can. Vamos a hacer 2 por lata. We actually do have 2 of each. Ahí tenemos 2 peras, 2 Barter pear, 2 Granny Smith, 2 de esas igual, Macintosh, yeah, we do have 2 there, Royal Gala, I think we only have, no, we can still have 2 and 2, so we're gonna start with this one, Red Delicious. Then we go with Royal Gala. Ooh, this one's a pretty good roots. This one actually I could even try to do it hydroponically. Yeah, I'm gonna do this hydroponically. Eso lo voy a hacer hidropónico. Ahí tenemos nutrientes. There we go. Royal Gala. Now we need 2 more Royal Galas. Necesitamos 2 más. Y tenemos una. Okay, we lost 1 of the first leaves. Let's hope it makes it. But that's why you have several plants. Por eso hay que tener bastantes plantitas. In case you kill some, or they die naturally. What's this? Macintosh. Granny Smith. This is about to bring its first pair of leaves, so it's been too long. The the pear. La pera es la última. Bartlett pear. For now, this is what we have, right? Esto es lo que tenemos por ahora. Bartlett pear. Royal Gala. 3 of them. Red Delicious, also 3. The Granny Smith. There were 3, but I think I killed one of them. Macintosh. And this hydroponic one that is also Royal Gala. It has a big root, so we'll see what happens. Vamos a ver qué pasa. So that's the video, friends. Hope you like it. And see you later. Bye.